muscle cars? Well, this is the episode for you. Welcome to Roaming with Randy, driving style.
So I'm here with the owner, Dave Hall.
Yes.
Welcome, thank you.
Thanks.
So
Yeah.
this is your event you're putting on.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about what is happening?
So Restore Muscle Car is the name of the shop and stuff here, and we've actually been in business for 20 years. We started the Bandit Run in 2007, where it's like we started it from like the Smokey and the Bandit movie that Burt Reynolds came out with, where they drove from Texarkana to Atlanta. That's what we did in 2007. Well, it kind of took off, the media kind of took over, everybody really liked going on this event and getting their cars out on the road and getting to enjoy them in a different way of just taking them to a car show and parking to show off. This year, with it being the 20th anniversary, we decided to come back to Lincoln, Nebraska, start it here at our shop. We had some fun events in downtown Lincoln last night, which I think, were you guys down there?
Yeah, I was there. That's how I found out about this as well. I went to go check it out.
Yeah. So we had a great time downtown last night. We're actually we'll be leaving here tomorrow morning out of Lincoln to head down to Kansas City, where we're going to go to the zoo and actually see the elephant from the second movie.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, and then we'll go on to Wayne and Tanya Alderson. They have a big acreage and stuff just outside of Kansas City in Buckner, Missouri, and we'll have a couple of days hanging out, car show, party, watch the movie and stuff down there. We have Nancy Lee Hess. She's actually Bert's niece, so she's here with us on her second time going on the Bandit Run with us, and so she'll be doing a presentation and stuff with everybody because she was in both movies. She helped in the first movie, and then her and her brother were in the second movie.
Very cool. And obviously the main star of the show is the cars, and we have your car right here. Can you take us on the tour?
Yeah, well, this is my Brewster Green 73 Trans Am. It's one of the cars that we built here at the shop, and it's got a supercharged LSA motor in it, 6-speed T56 manual tranny, mini tub car, Ford 9-inch 373 gears, 12-inch wide wheels on the rear, and but it's a full custom car. Still looks pretty much stock other than a lot of modern updates and stuff, full leather interior and stuff, but it's
runs beautiful.
It runs great. Yeah, we actually drove it last year on its after we finished it up in Michigan for the Bandit Run, so I'm gonna take it again this year because the car I was trying to get ready for this year's event didn't quite get done, but beautiful car. It's a lot of fun to get these cars out on the open road, and we got a lot of really neat similar cars around here. So.
Yeah, I noticed a lot of Trans Ams around.
Oh yeah, well, mostly Trans Ams, but we don't discriminate to any other cars. We love American muscle classic cars.
Awesome.
So,
Dave, thank you so much.
You
If
bet.
people wanted to find more information, what's the way to do it?
So restoremusclecar.com and thebanditrun.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You
I
bet.
appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
I am by no means a car person knowing the ins and outs, but I do love looking at a good car. When you come up to this and you look at this engine, folks, look how beautiful that engine is. I'll pop the camera in right there so you can see it. It just makes you want to get on the open road and say vroom, vroom. And then you come back over. Like, look at the inside of the car, how they restore it all. So you got this car right here. Orange rims, these aren't the real tires, of course, but you can tell they're in the middle of a restoration, which is really cool. I have no idea how to do any of this. I can't even change a tire, but I do appreciate a good car. All right, let's do something unique. Have you ever been under a car, the underbelly? Come on in. This is what, every time you hit a speed bump and you crash out, this is what you're ruining. So let's turn the camera upwards so you can see it. Crazy. Then you got a nice girl. This to me is my favorite part of the car. Not spinning rims, but nice looking rims. Like, pulse is up, you get the spinning very quickly, the RPM's going. This is gonna look very nice. So all the cars that go on the Bandit Run, they get a sticker so you can see on the cars how many times they've done it. So this one was on it 2024, beautiful 6.6 liter engine, got the Phoenix logo, Trans Ams. If I saw this on the open road in my Prius, I'd be like, nope, I'm losing that race. I don't actually have a Prius though. I used to. Muscle cars, why do you like them?
Because it's pure power. It's all American. It's American muscle. It's where it's at.
What's your favorite type of muscle car?
Honestly, Trans Am.
There you go. And there's a lot of them here.
Yeah, I like the stickers. I like the birds. I like the stripes and stuff. So, yeah, I like having it a little bit more flashy. So
Awesome.
What's up, baby? All right, guys, enjoy it. Have a good day. Enjoy the ride.
I think this car is a woman's, not for him. She's got that need for speed. I'm colorblind, red, green, brown. I can tell this is red though. But when you look, again, what do they have? Bandit Run sticker showing they've done this before. You go inside, looking beautiful. This one, we have a passenger princess. Come take a look. Not just any passenger. Nice little stuffed animal. Hello, sunshine. Perfect for, we can call this yellow or lime green. Yellow? Yellow? We'll say yellow. Again, colors is not my forte. But love it. It's super unique. So we got Bill and Robert, where muscle cars are a family affair. We'll pop out for a second. We got the old school car, which is Bill's. The new school car, which is, sorry, Bill's got the younger looking car. Robert has got the older car. So we'll have you guys come back in. Okay. So we'll start with you. I'll come on your side.
Yeah,
so,
sure.
Can you just talk about being a part of the muscle car family?
Oh, it's just, Restore Muscle Car is a great place, and we're really happy to be here. Dave Hall puts on an awesome little party thing, and I actually found out about this before he was born. I was trapped I was in Iraq serving, and
Thank you.
Thanks. It was my honor. And I came back, and then I had a son, so I couldn't go, and for a couple of years, and then on the 2010 Bandit Run, they put it on, and I went, and that was my first Bandit Run in this car.
So let's talk about the car.
Okay. This is what they call a fourth generation Firebird, which was, I believe, 96 to 2002. And this is a 30th anniversary edition, which commemorates the original Trans Am in 1969. So it is a 99. It has the same color scheme as the original 69.
It looks very sleek.
Yeah.
How much work would you say you put into it?
None. I just bought it, and
There you go.
I bought it brand new. I've driven it. I maintain it. I love it. I also have a second generation Firebird.
And you came from where to be here?
Hutchinson, Kansas, which is a little bit north of Wichita area.
Like 5-hour drive?
Yeah, about 5.5.
How'd you do on the drive up?
Perfect. I mean, it's a modern car. It gets 30 miles to the gallon. It's a 6-speed. It's got air conditioning and a heater and radio and T-tops, and I mean, there's really nothing to do except drive it.
Well, you talk about modern. We'll go over here where this is maybe pre-modern, but we'll get it back to where it goes. So let's have you talk about your car.
So we bought this not too long ago, probably about 4 years ago? 13 for $750 in a private junkyard in Wichita, Kansas. And it had nothing in it. There was no interior, no nothing. And so we decided to swap it and put something more powerful into a way old car that it's just great. Besides the fact that it keeps falling apart every once in a while, but yeah.
So what did you guys put into it?
We put a LS, what is it?
L59 out of a 2003 Suburban.
Can we make the hood a bit bigger for
Yes.
people to see? So we got the camera women showing off. So talk about what you got inside.
So it's just a V8 out of a 2003 Suburban, and we swapped it in December of last year, I want to say. So
It's got some power. I
Yeah,
used to
it
have a
does.
Suburban, or my parents did back in the day, and I know that car used to pick up.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite part about like the bondship that now comes between you and your dad being able to have joy in cars together?
Oh, just being able to work on it and learn about these cars over the years and like different years, like what I'm gonna say, the generations of these different cars, and it's very interesting to see different designs over the span of these awesome muscle cars.
And now you guys get to cruise together the next week.
Yeah, it's awesome. It'll be great.
Summer
Yeah.
break, great, nice little
Well,
start.
we built this car together, and so that was one of the greatest things about being in the family thing, and just figuring out all the stuff that you have to do to make a car run. And sometimes he gets frustrated when it breaks and stuff. And I was like, look, we hand built this car. I mean, people don't do this.
I can't change a tire,
Yeah.
so you guys built the
People
car.
should-
Good for you.
People should not do this, maybe. I don't know, but it's been a great fun, and like I say, it's just Restore Muscle Cars, awesome place. Dave Hall's a great guy.
Awesome.
Nothing but great things to say.
Well, thank you so much, you
Hey,
guys.
thank you.
I hope you guys have a great
All right.
drive.
We
Excuse me.
will. Thanks again.
That is this week's Roaming with Randy at Restore a Muscle Car in Lincoln, Nebraska. As you can see, we had so much fun here with all the cars, learning a little bit about muscle, the Bandit Run, so much more. Go to Nebraska.tv for more information on the video. Follow myself, Randy Silver TV, and Nebraska TV on all socials for more. You want me to come check out your event? Please like, subscribe, comment. Tell me, what do I need to see? What do I need to try? Where do I need to go in the great state of Nebraska? We'll see you on the next episode. Zoom, zoom, baby.